Dang it, I've been doing this like every single time. I keep the steering wheel near my desk, and then when I want to move this thing, I fucking can't. Got the wheel. Good morning, everybody. Just getting the shop rolling for a good Thursday's workday. I'm gonna screen print on this side of town, and also some cool updates are about to happen to rhythm racing. So today we will jump into chapter 1, where we're gonna put a lift in here. I've got a company coming to help me install and get this place going. Since you guys last seen us, we kind of threw some paint on this wall back here. Got some shelves in, and just kind of getting the little core elements together for this place. So I'm gonna just take this car out of here for now. That way we can come back and put a lift in here today. So the guys are about to arrive with the lift, so I'm gonna get this hunk of junk out of the way. Oh man, 4th time's a charm. That's what happens with 900 horsepower cold start. Give you guys a few shots on a little walk around. Shop's coming together slowly but surely. We gotta wire this thing up. Yeah, and a few other things to be done in here. So just plugging away daily, and thank you guys on the Instagram and for all the support online, and everyone that comes by the shop and kicks it. It's really cool. I've got my old tires from a Formula drift round that I actually had to miss. I took 1 year off of drifting, and now we're able to finally get back into it. So I'm obviously super excited, and the shop's moving. We got orders going in and out. Got some cool collaborations with like 360 wraps, which that'll tie into a future episode, because we're doing cool stuff for them and they're gonna do cool stuff for us. Gotta put this back in its home, where I always forget it. Whatever. We're gonna keep building from here, man. You guys will get to see this place as it gets built out. Thank you for subscribing and following along on this journey, and I need to shut the shop down and get back to screen printing. And that's how I'm doing it right now. I screen print during the day and hustle over here at night. So we have the keys now for 17 days, so we're just trying to get a foundation set. But anyways, like I said, time to shut this thing down and get back to screen printing. We'll give you guys an update later.